So today we are in Newmarket and we are revisiting this outdoor kitchen that we completed earlier on this summer. In today's video, I'm going to be talking you through the kitchen, how we made it, everything that it's got into it. So it's great to be able to come back and revisit this kitchen that we finished earlier last summer, and it was done in time for a wedding party that was held here in this beautiful garden with all of the customers' friends and family, and the outdoor kitchen was the centerpiece for that party. It was really, really good. So this kitchen is one that we make in-house in our showroom in Ringwood. We're still trying to think of a name for this range of kitchens. So if you can think of a good name, pop it in the comments below, and we'll have a look at those. We've done quite a few of these kitchens now for our customers. They're really popular. So what I'd like to do is now just walk through and show you all of the different features that this kitchen has got. As I think I mentioned before, all of our kitchens are handmade. They can be made to any layout, any size. They can accommodate any appliance that you want. It's completely bespoke. So if you've got a really awkward area, we can make something to an exact size to fit in there. Each kitchen and unit is sprayed as well, so you can have any color you like. So all you need to do is choose a RAL color, and we can get it sprayed. This one I think was called Truffle. I think it was like a deluxe truffle or something like that. It's really nice. It's not quite white, it's more of a grey colour, but it looks really well. It's quite a sleek and contemporary design. So right, let's look into the kitchen. So what we've got here, this is the Beefeater S2000 5 burner. So this is a gas grill. It's huge. It's probably about 1 metre wide. Cast iron grills. You're going to be able to feed a lot of people on there. So this sits in what we call an undergrill unit. So you've just got 2 cupboards here with storage underneath. All of the doors are soft close. We also have these finger rails. So all of the doors are completely handleless, and we have a finger rail that goes around here and around here. Now you don't have to, but what we do quite a lot is change the colour of the finger rail to the doors and the drawer front, so you've got that two-tone effect, which looks really, really good. You can have it the same colour if you want, but I think it looks really good with a change in the colour. So you've got your undergrill unit under there. Along here, you come along and you've got the corner unit. Now, this unit actually is a double unit. It's about 1 metre long, and it comes to here. So the clients have got their gas tank in there, but there's actually another ½ metre of storage underneath there to keep things in. Coming around to here, this is just another storage cupboard. They've just got the bits and pieces in there. And along to here, you've got a Beefeater stainless steel single fridge, and that's where you're going to keep all your drinks and your food, keep everything cool. So the worktops in here, we've got a 20mm thick dark granite. So you can see this section along here. It's really nice. This is a polished finish. And then what we've done here is we've created a 300mm overhang here so that they can keep their bar stools underneath there. You've got this really cool bar area now. So, you know, you're cooking over there. Your friends are sat here. You've got a few drinks. And they've dressed it really nicely as well. They've got these plants, you know, these drinks tins and everything else. It all adds to the overall effect of it. And underneath here, they've got some a socket there, so you can plug in your Sonos, your music, or whatever you want, or your phones. I think they've got lighting as well that runs around the garden, which they can plug into there too. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video as much as we've enjoyed building it and installing it. A really simple, clean, L-shaped kitchen, really practical, really usable, lots of storage, and going to be able to cook for lots of people as well on there. This is built to last outside. Everything is designed to sit outside all year round and survive like the British climate. If you have enjoyed the video, please like it and subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see some more. We try and release these videos about once a week. We also have Instagram and we have Facebook. Head over there. We try and post on there a couple of times a week, and that is our most current and up-to-date way of showing you the projects that we're doing. So thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.